Welcome to Virtual Voyagers. Hello Voyagers, and welcome to the city that never sleeps, where towering skyscrapers meet the tranquil embrace of Central Park and the bright lights of Broadway illuminate the streets. In this video, we'll unveil the 10 best things to do in New York, a metropolis that pulsates with energy, culture, and endless opportunities for exploration. From the iconic Times Square, where the heart of the city beats in neon brilliance, to the historic Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island, where the tapestry of American history comes alive. Every corner of NYC offers a unique experience. Get ready to be enchanted by the world-class art and museums, the breathtaking views from the Empire State Building, and the timeless charm of the Brooklyn Bridge. Join us as we traverse the bustling avenues, cultural enclaves, and iconic landmarks that define the essence of this extraordinary urban jungle. Get ready to fall in love with the incomparable allure of New York City. Number 10. Highline Park. Highline Park, an urban oasis suspended above the bustling streets of New York City, redefines the concept of green spaces. This elevated park, ingeniously repurposed from a historic rail line, offers a tranquil escape adorned with vibrant gardens, modern art installations, and stunning cityscape vistas. Meandering along its pathways, visitors are treated to a unique blend of nature and creativity, making Highline Park an inspiring testament to the city's ability to transform and innovate within its own skyline. Number 9. Museum and art galleries. New York's museums and art galleries form a cultural tapestry that weaves together centuries of human creativity. The Metropolitan Museum of Art houses an unparalleled collection spanning diverse eras and civilizations, while the Museum of Modern Art showcases avant-garde masterpieces. The American Museum of Natural History beckons with awe-inspiring exhibits, and smaller galleries like the Guggenheim captivate with contemporary marvels. In New York's artistic realm, every corner unveils a new chapter in the ongoing story of human expression. Number 8. Cultural neighborhoods. New York City's cultural neighborhoods are vibrant microcosms that celebrate diversity and heritage. From the bustling streets of Chinatown with its aromatic flavors and vibrant markets, to the historic soul of Harlem echoing with jazz rhythms, these neighborhoods are living testaments to the city's melting pot spirit. Greenwich Village's bohemian allure and Little Italy's nostalgic charm showcase the threads of different cultures that have woven the city's fabric. Each neighborhood is a unique chapter in New York's rich narrative of multiculturalism. Number 7. Brooklyn Bridge. The Brooklyn Bridge stands as an iconic testament to engineering and aesthetics, linking Manhattan and Brooklyn in an elegant embrace across the East River. Its Gothic arches and intricate cables create a stunning visual spectacle against the city skyline. Walking or biking across this historic landmark offers a glimpse into the past and panoramic views of the city's landmarks. The Brooklyn Bridge not only connects two boroughs but also bridges time, connecting modernity with the echoes of history. Number 6. Fifth Avenue and shopping. Fifth Avenue beckons a shopper's paradise synonymous with luxury and style. Stretching through Manhattan, this iconic avenue hosts a curated collection of high-end boutiques and flagship stores. From the elegance of Tiffany & Co. to the glamour of Saks Fifth Avenue, it's a runway of fashion and opulence. But Fifth Avenue's allure extends beyond shopping, showcasing the city's architectural marvels and cultural landmarks, making every stroll a blend of retail therapy and cultural immersion. Number 5. Broadway shows. Broadway, New York's glittering theater district, is the epicenter of world-class entertainment. It's a symphony of lights, stories, and performances that transcend the stage. From timeless classics to innovative productions, Broadway offers a dazzling array of plays and musicals that cater to every taste. The theater's historic charm and the performer's unmatched talent combine to create an unforgettable experience that resonates long after the final curtain call. Broadway is where dreams and stories come alive in spectacular harmony. Number 4. Empire State Building. The Empire State Building, an iconic fixture of the New York City skyline, captures the essence of aspiration and achievement. Soaring 1,454 feet above Manhattan, its Art Deco design stands as a testament to architectural genius. Venturing to its observation decks offers a sweeping panorama of the city that never sleeps, from dawn's first light to the dazzling nocturnal glow. As a symbol of innovation, the Empire State Building's lofty heights echo the city's boundless spirit, and its presence encapsulates the indomitable heart of New York, a city eternally reaching for the skies. Number 3. Times Square. Times Square, the vibrant crossroads of New York City, pulsates with an electrifying energy that's uniquely its own. Neon lights and digital billboards illuminate the square, creating a sensory overload of color and movement. As a global hub of entertainment, shopping, and culture, Times Square is a sensory playground that captures the city's vivacity. It's a place where dreams are made and celebrated, from the iconic New Year's Eve ball drop to the bustling theaters that stage Broadway's finest. Times Square encapsulates the essence of NYC's relentless spirit and serves as a dazzling gateway to the city's heart. Number 2. Central Park. Central Park, a verdant sanctuary nestled within the urban expanse of New York City, is a timeless retreat cherished by locals and visitors alike. Spanning 843 acres, its winding pathways lead through lush meadows, tranquil lakes, and enchanting woodlands. The park's iconic Bow Bridge, Bethesda Terrace, and Conservatory Garden are only a few of its many treasures. Central Park offers a haven for relaxation, outdoor recreation, and cultural exploration, hosting concerts, art installations, and serene moments of respite. A green jewel at the heart of the city, Central Park is a testament to the enduring power of nature's embrace amid the concrete jungle. Number 1. Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. The Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island stand as poignant symbols of hope and freedom, marking the gateway to the United States for millions of immigrants. The Statue of Liberty, gifted by France in 1886, embodies the nation's ideals with her torch of enlightenment and welcoming embrace. From her pedestal, visitors can marvel at panoramic views of the city and harbor. Just a ferry ride away, Ellis Island holds the stories of those who sought a new life on American shores. The Immigration Museum within the restored historic buildings tells tales of courage, resilience, and cultural diversity. Walking the same halls as immigrants of the past, one can trace the steps of ancestors who embarked on transformative journeys. Together, the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island encapsulate the nation's commitment to liberty and the promise of a better future. They remain beacons of inspiration, reminding us that America's strength lies in its diversity and the enduring pursuit of the American dream. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.